sustainable cleaning. Designed for circularity and helping businesses operate more sustainably, Diversey, sure. Seriously clean, sustainably green. Delivering superior professional cleaning results, Sure is seriously clean. It enables you to upgrade your cleaning, whilst keeping your efficacy, time, and cost standards untouched. It's safe and easy to use, as well as being kind to the environment. Made from 100% biodegradable plant-based ingredients, our Sure cleaning range is sustainably green. Ingredients are derived as byproducts from the agro-food industry, so we don't use land or energy to grow our ingredients. And we use less water and have fewer emissions. We simply reuse resources that would otherwise go to waste. Our packaging is made of up to 100% post-consumer recycled plastic where possible. They're also available as concentrates, saving up to 98% on packaging, all helping you reduce your carbon footprint. We know our business, and we understand yours. Let Sure help you be part of the solution. Sure. Seriously clean, sustainably green.